Welcome back to our channel. Please like and subscribe our channel if you like this video. Those who are new, my name is Anurag and I make videos on Canadian life, immigration, travel and food. So there's an update. You don't need to redo your medical. By that I mean you can upload the previous medical on your PR file if you have previously done it. So let me explain it more in detail. Let's go to my laptop. Alright, so I am on my laptop now, and you can see if you open Canada.ca and go under the immigration citizenship, I will provide the link below for this page for you to access easily. So you can see if you are applying as an inland applicant, which means that you are in Canada, and for people who are applying for sponsorship, like which is spousal sponsorship, and both the applicant and the sponsor both are present within Canada, then for those you don't need to apply or redo your IME, immigration medical examination. So there's a temporary public policy which will be valid until October 6, 2024, and starting from October 6, 2017, this will be applicable if you have done any of your IME starting from October 6, 2017 for any of your previous application for permanent residency, which also includes if you have applied for permanent residency before and it was declined and then you're reapplying for that, or you have done any permanent residency application before and for that you did the medical examination and now you're applying for a spousal sponsorship program, then this will be valid. It's a simple thing that you need to double check these 4 points. If you are living in Canada, if you have previously applied for PR, the third one will be if you have applied for IME in the last 5 years, and this will work. You just need to provide the IME with the number on it, and you simply just upload. I will this is my first-hand experience with my friend, so that's why I am sharing this video. You can apply this and upload what I will suggest, letter of explanation to the officer. So if you want a letter of explanation template, do let me know in the comment section and I can respond back and help you with how to write that one for sure. So you just need to apply the previous medical and letter of explanation to the officer that you have you are committing to this public policy and you are completing all these conditions mentioned below, and you're applying your IME which was done on dated blah blah whenever your examination was done, and then you can simply upload both of them. They will accept that review, the officer will review, and then they will upload the result. For sure it will be all good, so don't need to worry about that. And yes, simply you can use this as your IME. You don't have to spend that money again for that. I hope that information will be helpful. If it is, please share with your friends who need those help too, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.